Hi guys. Marketing and sales is a tough job, and medical representative is an extraordinary profession that needs a hard mind, strong soul, and fit body. Yes, today we are going to discuss in detail about medical representative job, the eligibility, the salary, interview questions, promotions, and a life of a medical rep. Welcome guys. This is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share, and grow. So when did this whole concept of medical rep started? Initially around 1850s, the physician requests for a particular drugs to the wholesaler or the manufacturer, and the company sends their salesmen and get the order and get the drugs supplied to the respective physicians. But later period of time, doctors asked more details on the product quality, mechanism of action, and other details. Hence, companies started to appoint people who had both the pharma knowledge and the marketing skills so that they can detail the product information to the physicians. Thus, the process of explaining the drug product information is called detailing, and the entire process has not changed much. So, who is a medical representative? A medical representative are the mediators who work for both pharmaceutical or medical companies and healthcare professionals who sell and promote companies' medication, prescription drugs, and medical equipments, etc. The main work is to promote the company drug products to the physicians and generate product sales. They are one of the pillar of medical industry and are called with many names such as medical sales representative, pharma sales representative, or in short MR. So, what are the job roles and responsibilities of a medical representative? Meeting doctors with a predetermined frequency to promote their products in the assigned territory. Meeting specified number of doctors, usually 10 per day. Meeting retail chemists to make sure that their brands are easily available. Meeting the company appointed authorized wholesalers to ensure the sufficient stock is kept for distribution. Submission of a daily report. Occasionally joined working with managers, product executives for great effectiveness of their calls. Achieving assigned targets for every brand of the company, attending weekly, monthly, quarterly sales review meetings, giving feedback to the marketing department about the competitor activities, attending regular training programs for updating medical as well as the pharmaceutical knowledge, organizing conferences and seminars for doctors and healthcare professionals, and submitting the reports of the customer feedback to the company's drug products. So now let us see the eligibility and qualifications of a medical representative. The preferred education is BSc or BPharm, but the career is open to all. It's not mandatory to have a life science degree or pharma degree, but any business or marketing degree will be really useful. Master degree is not necessary, but can add as an advantage. Also, any experience in marketing field will be considered. Now let us see the skills and requirements for a medical representative. Let's first see the requirements. The requirements include a valid driving license, a two-wheeler, and a healthy body condition and a resilient mind. The essential skills that is required for a medical rep is excellent communication skills, patience and punctuality, traveling interest, strong negotiation skills, intermediate skills in computer, especially Excel, and personal hygiene and grooming sense, a healthy body condition, a strong teamwork and networking skill, commercial and business awareness, consistency, and resilience. Now let us see the work schedule for a medical rep. The general work schedule is from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. but varies from region to region as some of the doctors meet the medical reps later evening after 7 or 8. Saturdays are working days in mostly in many of the companies except for few MNCs, and Sundays are generally off. Even part-time is possible in small sized pharma companies, but it is generally not preferred. Life of a medical rep starts in the early morning by 9 a.m. Mostly it would be in their home based location, and the most of the time would be spent on traveling to different locations and their neighboring districts. The travel would be done in mostly in two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Two-wheeler is considered mandatory because the managers will be joining the field work on a frequent basis. There will be a defined sales target, so work pressure will be there, especially in the month ends. To achieve targets, you may need to adjust the situation, also need to convince doctors and other healthcare professionals, and this may feel little bit hectic. Product launches and negative product feedback will cause difficulties in getting the doctor to prescribe the products again. Team meetings, manager field work visits may be sometimes uncomfortable and sometimes more powerful. It depends on the situation. So now let's discuss the most important part, the salary of a medical representative. A medical representative's daily life involves continuous field work, traveling, waiting for doctor visits, administrative work, sales pressure, and etc. So then why do you need to get a medical representative job? Though the job is physically as well as mentally challenging, the medical representative job is highly rewarding. So if you can see, the multinational companies provide 20k to 24k per month, whereas a big pharma companies provide a salary of 16k to 20k per month, and a mid-sized pharma company provides a 14k to 18k per month, and a small-sized pharma company provides 12k to 15k per month. The national average salary for a medical representative ranges around 2,80,000 in India. To my personal opinion, medical reps are paid decently, but the job involves a lot of dedication and hard work. The career growth and promotions of a medical rep is classified into field work and office work. The promotions to next levels are area manager, regional manager, zonal manager, divisional manager, senior manager, and all India senior manager. In product marketing, which is more of a office work, it is classified into product executive, product manager, group product manager, business development manager. The salary increases around 10 to 25% based on the performance of every year. The promotion takes place mostly 3 to 5 years once, depends on multiple factors like vacancy, performance, etc. In addition to the salary, the monthly expenses are paid as allowances by the company for traveling, food, hotel stay, purchase, etc. And this would range around 7k to 12k depending on the companies. The other benefits includes incentives that may be monthly, quarterly, and annually. And addition to that, there will be a lot of foreign tours, costly gifts, etc., which will be provided for the top performers. Now let us see the advantages of medical rep. It is the best job for travel lovers. It has a high salary, fantastic incentive, valuable gifts and foreign trips from the company, not a sitting job or a no wet lab work. You do not need much of a technical knowledge, flexible job timings, lot of opportunities to switch companies, much transparent and easier promotions, and a good people network. So now let us see the disadvantages of a medical rep. There is no fixed timing. There is a high level of sales pressure and stress in the month ends. There is a limited personal and family life, and increasing pressure with promotions, health issues like respiratory and gastro problems in the future, and no leaves on Saturdays, waiting in hospital for hours, and conflicts with people, especially the wholesalers and retailers for drug sales. Commonly asked interview questions about medical representative job is: tell me about yourself, explain the roles and responsibilities of a medical rep, why do you want to join our company, mention few products from our portfolio, how will you convince a physician to switch to your drug product, what are the questions that you will ask to the retailer, how will you approach when there is a conflict of opinion between you and a doctor while detailing, who is the zonal manager, sell me this pen, what is your salary expectations. These are the commonly asked interview questions during a medical representative job interview. So the commonly asked questions about medical representative job: where can I find this medical representative job? Is it a mandatory for a two-wheeler? How frequent my manager joins call with me? How much area should I cover? How many calls do I need to do in a day? Whom and how does a medical representative submit his daily report? What if I miss my monthly targets? How much incentive will I have in a year? These are the commonly asked questions about MR job. Hope we have given a clear cut instructions and idea about medical representative job. If we have missed anything in particular, post it in our comments box. Hope you like this video. Encourage us by hitting the like button. If you have any question, post it in the comments and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications from our Pharma Portal channel. Bye.